Chapter 4: Searching and Sorting Algorithms, Binary Search. In this tutorial, we will talk about the binary search. You should know something, that the binary search is only used on sorted lists. For example, these numbers that you see here are sorted in an increasing order. From 3, which is the smallest number, to 27, which is the largest number. In case the list is not sorted, then we cannot apply the binary search. Okay, so how does the binary search work? Number 1, you must first decide on the target value you are searching for. So for example, here we are searching for number 9. So we want to know where is number 9 in this list. That means now we know the target value. Number 2, select the median. So we want the median of this list.